if you sell anything online with Shopify and use Flodesk as your email marketing platform, this integration will be a quick win for you. Flodesk now integrates directly with Shopify, meaning you can now create beautiful automated email workflows for your new customers and your potential customers with abandoned carts without any extra apps. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up quickly and get your workflows going. All right, so let's get the tutorial started. We are going to turn on the integration first. So first off, you're going to go to your settings and we're going to go to integrations right here. I already have it turned on. Basically, you just toggle this on and then you're going to, it's going to give you some prompts on how to connect it with your Shopify account, and then you can choose which shop you want to connect it with. So just make sure, I think it's easier if you are actually logged into Shopify separately, and then it can detect like which Shopify account. If not, I think you can just log into your Shopify account and then it'll be connected. All right, so just with one click, you have it all connected. All right, so with that turned on, Flodesk will pull anybody who becomes a customer who have checked, yes, I'm like okay with getting email marketing into a Flodesk segment. So it's going to be called like your shop. Whatever your shop is called, that's the name of the segment on Flodesk. Now, do make sure at this point that you go on the Shopify side, go to your settings, and make sure that you prompt people to add their email addresses into your email marketing. So they can choose to opt in or not into email marketing. If you don't do that, it won't ask your new customers whether they want to opt in or not. Okay, so once you have that set up, we are ready to go into workflows and create a workflow. So I would typically create two workflows. One would be for customers who have already bought something, and then one for potential customers who have an abandoned cart. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a new workflow. And then the amazing thing is Flodesk already made a couple of templates for this purpose. So you can go to purchase follow-up, and this will be a template for those who have already purchased an order. So you can choose any one of these. I'm just going to choose this one right here, and we can customize it as we like. This is going to be the trigger that we set. So we're just going to change this to makes a purchase, and then you can choose your shop. So because I have my Shopify store connected, anyone who makes a purchase on the Made on Sundays Shopify store, they will be added into this workflow. Once they are triggered to get this workflow, they're going to get their first email. So we can customize this email that says like, thank you for your order. If it's a product that needs to be shipped, you can say like it's coming soon. You can give them an idea of like shipping and that kind of thing. If you're just selling a digital good, then this can be your thank you email. You can even send your digital good through this email, so you can add the link to your digital good that you're selling them to this email, which is a really cool option. And then you can also like send other things as part of this email, maybe like even a discount code or something for their next purchase. Then you can update the time delay. So maybe like, I don't know, a day from now, I probably wouldn't do an hour, but maybe like a day from then, you can send your second email or set up your second email. And again, this could be your like thank you, like if you want to purchase another item, this is your 10% off code. And then again, we can do a time delay here. And then this is actually very good practice. So I'm really glad this is part of the template, is to get their feedback. So once they have downloaded their digital good or product or whatever, you can send them a survey. This is where you can like collect some feedback, maybe add a link to a Google review or a Google form where they can leave some feedback of some sort. Or even just like respond to the email and give me your feedback back. So this is a really, really great template, and then the workflow will end here. And then that's it. So that will be your workflow for new customers. Then if you want to create a workflow for customers who, or potential customers who have an abandoned cart, they also have a template for that. So you can just click on abandoned cart here, choose any of these. I mean, I think they're all good. Maybe let's just choose the first one and just check it out. So we'll customize this one. Again, we're going to choose a trigger. So this is going to be abandoned cart. And we are going to choose my store again. And then for this one, I would probably do 1 hour or 2 hour mark. Okay, so in this first email that we're going to be sending, you can click on edit here. And this is actually going to be a transactional email. So it's a little bit different than other emails that you send out. This email will actually send to potential customers who are not even on your email list. They only get this email if they abandon their cart. So it's very limited in terms of what you can send them just because they're not on your email list. But essentially they will get like you can change the title here, a little description, and then it will show this block, which is a pre-populated block. So it will automatically grab this information from your Shopify store and it will populate the product that has been abandoned in their cart. So it will pull in the image here, the product title, the price, and then this button right here will automatically link to their abandoned cart and bring them back into their abandoned cart. Once that is populated, you can click on finish and then that first email will be done. Then they will be sent into the workflow where if they are unsubscribed to your email newsletter, then they will not get any more emails from you because they're unsubscribed. If they are a subscriber of your email list, maybe from a previous, they subscribed through your website or through a freebie of some sort, then you can continue to nurture them. So they will get this next email to kind of remind them again about their abandoned product, and also you can promote other products in it as well. If you want to add other emails on it, you can definitely add to this workflow, but these templates right here are a really great start. And then at the end of the workflow, they will just stop getting emails from you. You probably want to stop bombarding them after a couple of emails. That is your workflow right here. And yeah, once you click on publish, you are done. All right, and that's it. With this setup now turned on, your Shopify store and your customers will now run on autopilot and hopefully bring in more subscribers and hopefully repeat buyers as well. Simple and seamless. Now, if you aren't a paying customer for Flodesk yet, be sure to use the links in my description below for 25% off your first year of subscription. And if you want to learn more about using Flodesk and create your whole essential foundational email marketing system, I actually teach a class called Flodesk Made. I will put the links of that class in the description and you can see all about that class and how to build what I think is the most essential setup to create a long-term email marketing strategy. All right, I guess I will see you in the next video and hopefully maybe even see you in class. See you next time. Bye.